Alex, I just wanted to share with you that some of the things that have happened since I started, I said yes to doing organizing with you, and you brought Heike into my life. Um, Overall, before I could survive with chaos around me and clutter all around me. And just recently, I was in San Diego, and I had, because I was only going to be there a short period of time. Instead of putting things away, I just had everything around me, and I could feel the weight of all that clutter pressing on me. I was so ineffective. I couldn't get things done. And I finally realized I just need to put this away, even if it's a short period of time. And things started happening. Um, I've had Heike help me organize not just my computer and my email. I mean, we're down to like double digits, and there's 11 emails somewhere that are hidden that I can't find, so that I can have a zero on my inbox. I mean, I was over 50,000. So this is a huge, huge accomplishment. And it clears up so much more space for creativity. She's helped me organize my thoughts when I was, in fact, I talk about her in the book that we were just, you're in it as well. Yeah, your comment. Thank you so much for giving an endorsement of the book. She helped me organize my thoughts on the 3 telesummits that I was attending, and separate. It's like, this is for this one, this is for this one, this is for this one. And I wouldn't have been able to do it without her. So I'm so glad that even though I was like, gulp, you know, you're part of my team. Yeah. My name is Gwen Leopard. I am a luminary and global energy presence, and I help empaths evolve past. I empower empaths to evolve past their limitations and their any narcissistic abuse that they may have experienced, so that they can remove relationship residue and basically take charge of their life, overcome relationship baggage, optimize their self-love, and own their own personal power. Yeah. So thank you for making it easier for me to do all those things. For people that are actually going to help change the world. You're helping change the world. Thank you so much, Alex.